Hello everyone. So as you can see today we are going to practice about the pocket option. Pocket option strategy is one of the most interesting strategies in which we will come from. You'll have this kind of interface in the starting. We just have to move it to the candles. Once it's moved to the candles, look for a higher time frame. Like if it take 10 minutes, so you just have to understand that if you look for a higher time frame, you will have a higher chances of winning. Okay, I'll put the alligator in the place. Can you see? Whenever there's a proper cut, there is a higher chances of it to go. Avoid taking trades in this particular zones. Okay, and it's most probably gonna go up. So taking $1,000 trade for 1 minute. So whenever you check on the higher time frame, you'll always win in that situation. And there's a very less chance that you'll lose. Okay, look, and we win easily. You just have to use a trend line, a horizontal line. And down we're gonna win 29,000 dollars. It's gonna win. I'm sure about it. No worries. Okay. I have added two horizontal lines. Can you see? $720. Perfect. Making it $30,000. Okay. So this is a resistance point, as you can feel. Okay. It will actually defeat it and move front. But yeah, whenever this comes down, you just have to take higher number of trades because it won't go down. And you see this resistance. Yes. This is a 1 minute trade, and I have just, oh, that's a pure cut. Can you see the pure cut? But still, I am sure that this particular piece will go up to the extreme level. Oh, how did I know that? So, this is how you trade. I don't know. Can you check the. Yes. I removed the actual amount from the game, but you got it the point, right? Okay, do like and subscribe to my channel and look for more videos. So this was an alligator. Okay, so whenever you see an alligator push, we just used a 10 minutes alligator. So we can have a better view and understanding. Can you see a good trend line over here? Yes. So the trend line won't go down. Okay, so we just wait for it. And we know that it will go up only because there was a resistance from the black side. Right? I'm pretty sure that it won't be able to break this line. It's a strong resistance point for every piece. It will go back. At least we reached 45,000, right? Now we'll go for upper. I'm sure this was a very decision-making point, and I did choose to go down. It was a resistance point, and she just break the resistance, but I'm sure that it will go back. Okay, see the push? Yes, there's gonna be a push for it. Yes, and I'm pretty sure about that. So there might be some losses because it started the accumulation. So this is how we do it. So the piece actually resisted itself. We ended in a loss, but still, I tried to maintain it, right? In 10 seconds, you can see a lot of things. I don't feel that it will go up, but still I've kept it upside because you see, once it was all going down after breaking the resistance point, I didn't look back again. Won't be going up anyway soon because you see how wonderfully it went down. It's, when you see the difference between the lines, that's the difference between your what wallet balance and your life. I hope that it changes soon by watching my videos. Okay, so yeah, it's actually coming closer. When it's closer, don't trade. When it's far, do make a lot of trades and earn a lot of profit. Yes, and now we have